What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, GX start click him live, you know. Yeah man, GX start click him live, man. And my people, I gotta tell you something. Right now him say want him youth them, and I gotta tell you this. You see, if GX willing to put up a fight and get the support, GX can give ROSEALEE trouble. GX can get them youth there. And ROSEALEE happy, you know what I mean, PM child support and them something there. You understand me? We also have share I discuss the whole GX and ROSEALEE situation with our people them. You see, but we have ROSEALEE respond to Ivany. We have a bunch of things. I think we have a Lion Man set up share and we see Mama Rich for her. You see me? So anything you not hear in the intro, it go in the video so I could get in with people.
No, brother. You're looking money for say, alright, you want to rent one little place? Rent a little place and do what you have to do. And I did give the information over really. I knew they were going to do this and sit and say it. Any family member or whatever who is not the perpetrator can take the kids back. So that is why he made the statement say yes, he's able to take the kids because I know him them investigate the Rose. That is why him can. And another, if they can identify another family member like one cousin, one auntie, one sister, one brother, even one close friend with a safe home, then can take it pitney too. That is how it works. It is when they can't identify nobody at all. That is when the kids stay somewhere else. Whether it's a home or a foster care agency or whatever. Because yes, Jamaica does have foster homes. They do, contrary to belief. And I'm not going to discredit nobody who has been through the system and have unfavorable stuff. I'm not going to discredit nobody who have had unfavorable stuff when they have been through the system. Because your story is your story. But I just saw it go, brother, like, come on, fight fucking internet with them people, them, man. And do what you have to do. Do what you have to do, brother. And this is a confidential matter. Come on, you say you want little money to do this. Do it. And top check your business. Do what you have to do. You don't owe nobody no explanation. You don't need to tell me, she, or the old lady. Nothing at all. Nothing. Chaja. Goodbye.
Yeah, she hear me I say.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, I told them I look about the she look about the youth them, you know. I go where she go do where she do, you know. GX don't even know nothing. Cause she not correspond with the man, tell him what go on with the people. So him just come and just attack, cause him go and even know say not to say certain things. Whatsoever. If she that talk to the man and them thing, him won't come out and say certain things. You know, feel that way there. Him won't come out, she have to talk to the man because she don't want him know nothing. But you have to make him know. Because she still go on the media with the people them. And she against GX.
What go on, Nisi? Everybody, I'm telling you something.
Yeah, one at a time. You finish done, you finish done, talk, big man?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I just that my office still.
We can go ahead now, Shay?
Yeah, man.
Alright, when we get to understand, Jakes are the fittest person for the kids then. Because CDA call her and she make a talk on the social media and then hear about CDA. Then bring up again about the PTA meeting. Come on. Open the face of the earth, you got have kids say you don't attend PTA meeting. To all Jake's attack, Jake can visit the kids then. But it look like she can't as yet. She have to go through the process. They find Jake's fit. If you listen to what I say, even though him now come with everything, you can see them find him fit for the child. And when he blame her for, are you baby
auntie, 1 minute. You right as so where say Jake's a wanted man, them not give him the. You see Jake's pan blood clot wanted list. Only love bomber clot painting spam. You see the man pan a wanted list. What him do for wanted? You not chat too bomber clot much. You not chat too much. You see the man pan wanted list. What him do for wanted? Him kill your mama or your papa. What the blood clot you come out from life, man. Like people no reason, no reason that. No reason that to come for this bumbo clot.
Them don't know how to reason.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so when me get to understand now, when me and say in the whole thing now, alright, something like that, me and my baby father live. You go come on live and say, one want me to stay home, my mother, blah, blah. You couldn't build with your baby father. You couldn't care your baby father gonna make it if you didn't have to go out there. You leave the man in a wonderland and treat the man like him is a nobody. Him coming out here like a call on the man phone like the man an idiot or something. You're not showing no remorse for your kids. You're showing no remorse for your kids. And I don't care who want come for me and I don't care when nobody wants to say.
The thing I find it that Rosalie is being selfish. Reason being, remember when you on live every day 24/7, Rosalie, this man look after your kids. He never make you get up and say, oh, this don't do, that don't do. He make sure say everything do. So bad to bad, you owe him a conversation. Have a conversation with him. Make him know what's going on towards the kids them. So him can know the situation where him can do. Because you just sit there and you're being selfish. This man look after your kids them even when you don't have time to do it.
Him go out there, and him tell him say him can visit from Monday to Friday. That is the reason why I'm click alive. To get some funds to go and do what he wanted to do. But in all is said and done, I think she should build with her baby father and try to make the thing more stronger. Yeah, the east and in the
west. You don't have to there. You can just co-parent as parents.
Co-parenting just.
Yeah, just reason with him. Talk to him, make him know, if have a conversation with him. Because bad to bad, this man look after your kids them. Yeah. Remember, we see it on the internet, we can't deny that. Bad to bad, Jakes is a dirty man, him abusive, yes.
But to put all of that aside right now, because you can see him hurt now. Him hurt. You hear what I say?
Look after them.
Him say no know about moderator, but him just tell them, say, just let go the bad comments and just help if you can't help. I just make kids them want because the man hurt the man say from the pit them gone in my ball. The man has show more emotion than the mother.
Shay, can I say something now?
Yes.
Hi, good afternoon or good night or whatever your region.
Yeah.
It is very obvious that both sides of the party is going through years of abuse. Right? When this lock off, we don't know what's happening unless June come and say something, unless Jake come and say something, right? So we don't know what is going on. But what comes into play when them come to the live now, that's what we are seeing, right?
The girl blows.
We have seen that he has been abusive in front of the whole world, and we have seen that Rose have been very abusive in front of him. And to top it off, the children are seeing all of that.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think about Jake start click him live and start hustle for himself, you know. You know what I mean? Because Rosalie a cut with the money, so he have to do something. You understand? And all of the people them are going to say a bad mind and this and that. Shut them out. Don't bother with that. Because at the end of the day, him did a support her when she dey on live. I mean, no, say Rose not going to give him no money and say, hold this and go on. You see me? And if him can get the youth them, him to take them. Because at least them are going to around somebody who them know instead of they in our homes and them way there.
That, right? Both of them should have get counseling from years ago to avoid what the children are experiencing right now. Any one of them can say them don't want to go back to mommy or daddy. Any one of them. You could have bathed them, washed them, but you see emotional damage, emotional stress, emotional issues, that's what both parties display on those children. Trust me, they may not show it right now, but in the future, they may not want to enter in a relationship with no man, with no woman, because what daddy show mommy and what mommy show daddy. We have to look at what the children have experienced, right? I don't think it was really tactile for Drake to come and did what he did. The system said, no, say nothing, you came and you uttered, but you should have kept your mouth shut.
But me not really
negative influences.
What did he say, Mama?
Wait,
let
me play what Jake said.
It's just that I really don't want to come on the app because I give my life on the app.
Right.
I understand. I know you bring Wally back.
disrespect and bring down and whatever. But we don't have a problem, so we can do it. Because Jamaica is versatile enough. But right now, I need my baby there. Shanta and barbz are most. I'm not used to this. I'm a daddy man. I'm always a daddy man. Need them, I never miss that, brother. And last night, and I'm a nigga them tell me, say, someone will wake up for the place where Barbara and Chantal there. And the youth uncomfortable. So I know that from mine still. Chantal is a girl where she versatile, because she's outspoken and whatever. She be blending. Barbara is not that type of man. You see, Barbara not even to talk to people, brother. You see, nothing seem like him mad and him fuck.
Oh,
exactly
but he not say no. But he not say no.
Well,
no bad.
He just waiting for his kid.
I'm not steal on him.
Wait, in this him say him have a nigga. When him never say him know somebody. Right. Say him have a nigga when know somebody will work up there. And him tell them separate. Barber and comfort. Right. About Barber, I'm really work. Barber no talk, but Shanta she versatile. Shanta the chatty box more time. I was saying. Blending. Right. Well, him doesn't know about right just so. And him not mention nothing because I'm listening to his live, and him not mention what him not supposed to. Right. Talk me exactly. Talk mafia.
Why the lady a come before everybody else come and start saying a little things. Him never did a little, not no more than him must say them same only can come visit in a the right. Because when I see self share.
Yeah, share.
They never go and stay in the comments, man.
And that will come for actually tell you. Say you no matter body company life come tell him no life on the youth. And my body come say because the youth over there must say him say them can visit them in the week, but not on the weekends. And at that he say he want to visit him, baby them. But you just over there like him and give you no info. Because it's true, you know, watch your live. People come and come tell a lie, and then people lie because none of them careless, you know. You understand? None of them love what them say right now what happened to them two parents, you know. As much as me not rate Rose, I'm not like Rose. I'm not like where I go on because these things end up. Because them kids can't go in an environment where make them even get worse. Which you can probably make them better too, but at the same time we have to hope say them parents are do the right thing so them people can get back around them. And if I just the fit parents fine because when Rose display to me right now come like Rose care about Pitney was one man. You understand? And the youth now say nothing bad over them. And we can say youth depressed. Yes, him and Rose fight and them abuse each other well fine.
Him look like him to me. I don't want to name me in the comments coming near no back. To me. Him look more depressing more than ROSEALEE. Him look more caring, like him really interested to get back him pin them. Because he's a man, what have him pin them and him hear them call him daddy. Him say miss that. He miss what them I said daddy. That him say miss.
You know, say him look sincere, like say him
yes,
sleep.
Man. I'm looking at him, I look glassy.
Yeah, I'm saying cry last night.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Never jump in a car, you know. Other people want to come talk.
My 2 cents on this. If everybody can come together and help Jakes, because first thing, I live in this overseas. Me know about DCF. First, them gonna come, them gonna say, the environment stay for them. So if I 1 room or 2 room, if people can help him to put on another little room, because the little boy have to get a room, the little girl have to get a room, because they're big enough. They want to say food in the place, the environment clean, suitable for kids. And Jake is the one that always a cook. Give the pitney them, like look about the pitney them and them something there. So if everyone when I want nobody beat on the man come and ask the help, come and say worse people come and ask the help and then get the help. We know the history with ROSEALEE and Yoshe, but you're a good girl. Even if you can help JX, help him, my girl.
Yeah, but me no another one now. Them have to take me out. Me no another one now because.
But if a guy better and can speak to your
That's right. Don't get involved.
No.
Don't
me no another one now.
get
That one
involved.
not for me at all.
that's not for you.
You know,
Leave it to
that one I don't
whosoever
feel
it
like
belongs
you know
to.
another one now. Me start like Elsha. Me shit in a church and wait for the pastor.
No,
Yeah,
man. You
look.
see.
Shay,
See
darling,
another
just
one
take
now.
care of
Me out
yourself
of
and
that one now. If
continue
anybody
to.
upon the live want go help him, fine. Me not do it. Sorry. Me
Shay,
out
I
there.
just want to
Out of that one.
say,
Yeah.
take care of yourself and continue doing the work that you're doing on this
Yeah, mama, big up
platform.
yourself.
But I pray that, you know, all I want to cover under the blood of Jesus because Mrs. said the devil is out for catch everyone I want to. Just
Right.
be careful. Shay, be careful. This app is not a good app, but take where you can get and leave.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm
Bless
sorry
up
for
your
that.
Shay. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Who feels it knows it. Yeah.
Yes, so it go.
Yeah, man. That's how I go, mama.
Yeah, but I don't know. People attack, I tell her, say, fi try get somewhere to live. They say she did just listen and do it for a long time there. She sit down, she sit down. Me not bash her, you know. But she sit down on the chair. Things can't just reach this. You go and go look on land, sign up more on a service there way you could have throw one little cause you make your money on the app. Come on, man. You wanna in a this now? You pin them, you sit down, me a wait on this and me a wait on that. What are you waiting on, man? That's what happen now.
My,
The boy come out broad in
one at a
front.
time. Wait. 1 minute. But my thing is, GX, if GX over there look black for build house in the same yard, it not go work, Papa. I don't know if somebody there around you need to tell you, say, it's not going to work. You cannot build a house from the same house in the yard. That not possible. This don't make no sense. The CDA say, them cannot go back in that care. Them can't go. The address is limit off. You have to find somewhere. GX need to beg you the money to find somewhere to rent, so he can rent somewhere and stay there. That is his address. What the them can have them own a space. If you look black, this, that for build something right there, so GX, it can't work. The address.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section. You see, the family dynamic, you see me who do want that for mash up? Big man thing, because that only I go kind of traumatize the youth them in a way. You understand? For start live with one parent and the next one they so and one they so, and them used to know say yo them two parents in the same household. Some of the time you have to compromise for the youths them sake. Look on the bigger picture. You know what I mean? When the youth them grow up, you know, and understand, if you want to left the man, you left him. If you want to left the woman, you left him. Only reach so far already. You understand? Two parent household are that. You know what I mean? Are the thing. Me not lie, my people. The family dynamic are that me no want to mash up. You see me, I say the two you them comfortable and nice, you know. Why when things are go good at this time, you have everything for mash up. Rosalie and Jakes try to talk this over.
Step and see the agenda, it gone, it done. You need somewhere.
Right there, so right there. Shay, run from it. Run.
Right. You have to run from there, so.
Run from this. Now make them try you no more baka. Run me there. Have a good evening.
Alright. No, me not in this. Nobody can get me in this. From here, ask the people from me in my life, from here I eat my food. But be not tell them. From my life, say chat, from here I eat, me I tell them. If Jake's alive, go and go give him. Simple. Me tell the people, me say, all if you support me, go and go give him. Go and go help him. Him need the help to get back in put them and so. Go on. If them want to help them, help him. Me not have no helping hands in that me there. Me start like a Elsha. Me shit in a church and dash it for the pastor right through. Pure wet more people on him face. Pure shit. Me not have time for that. Me not help a soul. Me. Him be mad native not help him much as to give him money for start. Forget to put them so me help him. No me there. No come so with that. Me have it. Him be mad rich. Him baby mother rich. I don't know time for that. Want to lie and skydive, man. Them not rich too. One of them sell pussy and one get benefits from the government for blind every month. So them can help him too. Yeah. Something know it go. Them have to try help him. And that me I say next thing you man him miss out like a me. Go and go give him. Go and go help him. Me can help him. Me don't know about that. When Rosa give him things, him take it give woman. Oh, that's nice.
No.
Oh. Remember them tell me some run left my opinion them, you know. You saw life fuck up now. Hey, we have to laugh. You saw life. Look how tables turn. Wow. A lot of you saw tables turn. You're rough. Tables fucking turn for sure. My mom cause me say me give it for me them, you know. I mean I have them, you know, and I left them all about the place, you know. Diva went black, yo. Remember I no cause me about film them say me left them all about the place and film them gone as child services. And remember I no call it down for me, you know, and see that I won't get it. But me not rejoice over no wait name there. But I just saw it go. His name Karma. Karma know everybody doorstep, you know, they better leave it alone. Me dear. Wanna go and help JX. Oh, we know if sure if this is JX. That is JX. I saw him look. Much I will put him on the internet. I saw him look. I him same one. Teeth in JX. I him same blood clot one. Teeth in JX. I him same one. I him rap queen we are chain from Crossroad. I see him JX. Imagine now the people in my GX robber and thief from what we kill fill up come on TikTok come say GX a beg. Dear. I'm going to help him, yeah. Give me a chat, him need it. When black blood clot diva. Yeah. GX boss have queenie chain in her blood in a crossroad already from her neck. Whoop. From them time that she not like him. She could have tell me say she know him look. I'm sure. But we're sure when Queenie said GX on TikTok. When she see people put up in picture, she said, baby, I him take my chair in a crossroad. My dear. No, Tika, true. I true, man. Long time. Long time.
That's so much?
Long time him do it. Long time. Long time. You never know. Yeah, mama always talk about it for my life. A long time. Long. Queenie say a long time. From she used to teach at the school. Long time. But you remember him face. Yeah, man, a long time, man.
No time, man.
A long time. Yeah, I used to do it for feel, right? A long time. I always say it. I must choose someone on the part of my life. I always say it. I always talk about it. And Queenie ever come give story. I true.
Yeah. Oh, that's so much.
Long time. I always said. I say when black diva only be one black man give it to her now. One black.
Wagwan she. You're not gonna remember me, you know. But you got the bands out.
So people, I just want to say this. You see, some of the time we feel a new like relationship or a new situation I go better than the one where we in, right? But nothing in life perfect. We have to go through life with some kind of fault. You know what I mean? So sometimes them say if you stick to the evil where you know. So this is a new life, you know, a new lifestyle where ROSEALEE experience. It no must good for you, you know, you feel good. But it no must good for you, my people. Sometimes you see the people them where they did it with from day one. And the whole heap of fooling issue used to go on from day one. At least you know understand each other. When you go get in a different situation, you know, you have to go learn that person there. You see me? And not all that glitter is gold. You see me? I say she go start a relationship with Akeem, you know. You see me? But at least with him kinda in with her and show her that she want. So maybe she go look it elsewhere. Some of the time, just do the best for your youth them until them reach a level. So I feel like she should stay with JX and bypass any little fault to him have, because you've been know him have those fault for a longer time. And for the youth them stabilize and think and focus in a school and them way there, just make them in a one comfortable environment with them father and them mother. You see me? Do that for the youth them.
So, Holy Rosie.
Oh.
Yeah. You don't remember them days there?
I just remember now.
Yeah. Say good door.
Yeah, man, I'm a good man.
Always I watch you, man. So go and do the good thing, you know?
Alright,
yeah, man.
Yeah. You know, remember that Jake look for money? Yeah, long time. Yeah, that's a long time though, you know. A long time. But Queen remember when him look and she always tell me about it, and I ever say, baby, I know him good. She said, baby, I him have a bump right there, so. And she see him, she make him out. She always say, have a bump, so him take my chain off from my neck. She say a good thing, say chain never did so big to the hanger, treat kind of about this, but a goal, you know, pop it. She, you see, that's why me must always be independent and don't depend on people. Right. I'm glad I depend. Me not live a phone over here, you know. Me not live a phone, no. He have a look, you know. Oh man, he was a criminal, man. And if him still is, you know, but he was. But once a criminal, always a criminal.
No, I'm not going to change it.
But him should just leave certain things alone. Suck your mother shame. Maybe mother for suck. Where your mother there? Your favorite man. I don't cry, I live somewhere. I just eat and full my belly. Why your problem? What you want to do? Cause you? Hey, hold a lock ya. No more typing for you. Bye bye. I'm gonna see police look for me. Police not look for me at all. Jake's is terrible. Him admit it on the last time went juvenile at 13. Yeah man, him terrible man. Good night, Yvette. I'm terrible.
Yeah. Do what you look at it.
Me? Quan's kitchen later. Me? That's why I'm not depend on you, can you see it? When I want to come tell me what to do with the money I want to do with it. I come in today, of course. Why only be on blood clad? Why only be on diva over here? She bother not live. Let me look. She bother? She bother not live. Only time them stray now. Let me look. Ross, Claude, she bother not live. Okay. I went black them blood clot. One black. One black, me go and give to them one time. Just one. One black. Me just click on the two of them names, so just black them blood clot. Them walk out. I'm going to tell him so to walk about the blood clot, please. Stop beg people money for Jakes. Me attack? Eh? Big pussy girl? And me attack? I could never make stop with. Come on, let me look like Jake's baby mother. Go on here. Oh. My dear.
Can you not pay attention?
Martin, I want to share the life to and show him diva and blood clot on the beer.
Call them, what people call it. People call it book smart or The bright one them. So people call me. You know what I mean? Me was always one of them kind of person they were. Me never fall back in my never time. Matter how in my juvenile days my mind kind of rude or whatever, I never fall back. You know. So when I come back on road and whatever, you know, put all of the negative behind me, all of the badness behind me. This is some more what my grandmother had. You understand? So that made me end up in one traditional high school and whatever. But we don't really depend, because we have story time for all them time there too. You understand? I really shanta and barbar. Really shanta and barbar, bro. Just not try me couldn't know get a understanding and where they might be I feel which part them there. As I say which part me there I feel more rough. And for them kind of situation where your parents do whatever about parents or whatever. You see me. My situation is kind of different. You see, so we don't really got them Glen up and whatever they want to be. I know. Somebody said something about work a while ago. I'm telling you some seat, you know, long that comment the past. You know, long that comment the past. So listen now. You might not know, but JX not afraid for work. You hear that? When you say it earlier on, you know. When you say it earlier on, I'm going to say it again. You see my work them? Though hard. I'm not working as son, people. You see? I'm not working as son. You know? If the AC not cold, I'm not working.
Hey, my people. You see, the territory where GX adventure in, you must know say you don't want an easy place, you know. You better know say you must have thick skin for you over here, so. You see me I say, because I hear them I tell him to go look work. You see me, that I just start. I tell her that, you know what I mean? But the man say the AC have to be very cold before him work, and if he work them not hard. You know what I mean? I think he's a chef still, you know, people. I make you watch someone and listen to what I say.
AC of a cold. Is it? So stop it. Just no I just more something right now. But I can get me you them right now. Not 6 months after or 1 year after and all them thing there. Is it?
God. Well done. More right now. More right. More right coming up. Hey girl. Hi. More right coming up. Why am there? So yeah.
So far, I try telling you, know, people. I don't know if I'm my hair catch them coming there. All of us do all of them still there. Is him all of them? I'm playing a match business and I'm playing a match business. Not right now, as I said, not now. You see? And then just like it. Who comment about Portland?
No, somebody said that.
Yeah, short story about my academics and traditional high school. I never tell you which high school I used to go, so I'm not talking about Portland. Although, yeah, somebody just typed it a while ago. But all the while baby mother talk about it, so I don't know where I hide anyways. Baby mother always talk about it now. Yeah, she said that one teach, you know, I never two. One teach bad youth. I like some simple question them here. The way in Portland part, hold on about the way in Portland part. Because you come from Portland, I ain't know me. Yeah, my popular Portland, you know. My name is Jake Portland. My name is Jake Portland. My name is Gabba Portland. Gabba, my name is Portland. Jake's Road. Jake's Road or Gabba. But yeah, Shanta and Barbara, I need them. I just that people, I need them. I like how you not interact with me, try to get me out of my gloomy state. You understand? I'm kind of, well, I'm still depressed, but I'm kind of, you understand, because people really are show me love and I like that, and I'm really willing to help me out with my baby them. I really appreciate that. You understand? For no, sorry, then I get some help now to say I can get them out and them can get to leave from them house to school. Not from which part them there right now. You understand? To school. Come if I understand for them, I still go to school anyway, so glad for that, but you know, trying to start. No. As I say, people, I'm not coming to go up against some baby mother, I'm telling you this too. That's why I'm stay, and she make it possible. You understand? Right now, I just want to start playing my part in them life. You see? Yeah, she make all of this possible. You see them printing, she and her princess when they done in them tux and look like a Dan. You know what I mean? Yeah, the mother. You see, so though I don't want nobody to go, I'm saying I have a lot of questions I'm willing to answer, but you see, just help me out with the youth them first. You don't have one thing with mommy, my mother, them no make, she no make them short and nothing. Nothing at all in a short, them mother. But me as a man need to step up right now. You understand? Because I see where my family really gone to right now. I don't need that. You get me? So I need the negative, you know, nothing at all. More than I just need them out back. For them start, you know, the excitement for them reach out back. Everybody dying for them come back on the road, you know, but everybody love one them come out back. I'm not used to this. And Shanta and Barbar, you know. See. And peeps, my phone up on 5% in Ghana now, and which part of them, nothing I can't get no instant charge right now. So I'm soon I'm going to come off of the line. You understand? Soon I'm going to come off of the line. But yeah, I know negative vibe, no, nothing like that. In the near future when them out, answer all questions. You see, but right now I forget them out. See there?
Alright, some people want to tell me what they think in the comment section. I'm glad to say them are going to school from which part them they still. I understand that is a thing where, you know what I mean, at least them are going to do that because they're all for the youths them, you know. You see me? So I just somebody, you know, to try to find a way, not even find a way, just somebody to get them out, you know. If GX get a place by in a month time or less, him get them back. You see me I say? From him have a place where he must stay and him have a income in good. You see me I say? So if my ROSEALEE team up no people, them can get back the youth them fast and quick. But you see, if him right now I do it by himself, maybe him are gonna face like a challenge. Let me know what I think.
See there? The mother make them up. I one thing with them mother them go up. You see? Yeah, bro. You see God, I want to with the God still, you know, smile. Yo, Baba, no smile a little bit. Yeah, man, them are clean, man. The mother go always make them clean, man. You crazy? Mommy, them are clean, man. But me need to start playing my role too as a man, as a father. Although I've been a play my role still, no people. But we'll get to that as the next point. Main point is we get them out. No, not chasing me and elaborate from Barbar now. Don't chase me and elaborate. I love the two of them. I love the two of them. I Shanta first. I get a Shanta. I know some of my father. I love the two of them. Shanta, the rampage Shanta. Shanta, my baby. Shanta, my everything. But I just show Barbar kind of unique to himself, you know. No, I'm going to say I can get one place so I can get for go live and so. My phone I go now. My phone I go now. Right now. Yeah, I forgot to say I can come back later. Phone up on 4% people. I got jump out now and say I can get some charge. Understand? So later, we continue the reasoning. The time where, because I like some no mansion, I build up, I build a big no mansion, not time. You understand? For me can get about 800 block and cement and whatever. Remember said, me have people can do it for me. You understand? I'm not going to charge me no even money for do the thing because I'm a youth, them I really do it for. Never want to come over here so need that thing, you know. Yes, I don't really mind. Never really want, as I said, for the main reason why, because we have all the hip-hop style and humor and whatever, but baby mother, they already over here, so nobody want to come over here. But it's just true things go down and journalist. The main thing for me is to get back my youth then. What is the main thing? Baby mother go always be my baby mother. When I find a competition and bring down thing between me and my baby mother. Furthermore, me a man thing, you know. That's it. It's just that my son and my daughter get involved and I don't want that, brother. About 3 to 4 days I cry for, you know, from them gone, you know. Because I know how it feels for them at them place there, you know. And when I 13, I get locked up at that Stone Hill Juvenile Center, you know. First, I got locked up, I got jail. At 13-year-old, I got Huntsby jail. You see, leave from Huntsby, I got Stone Hill. So I know them place if you have to left from out of your bed with the family, them gonna live on be a stranger, brother. You see, well, it not change because them tell me them separate them boy over here and girl over there. So same thing in my time. You understand? I lock up with some man when I get charged with murder.
Alright, my people. So let me tell you see them place there? Them place there, I don't know. Place for youth where no do no foolish go. You hear me tell you? Them place there are enough people picnic where in them school and I got school and you so me I say I move the right way in the world and I get themselves in a serious trouble. Them place there for youth where I get themselves in a serious trouble because here are my people. You see we have your good youth and a little mistake, you know, and you would have send them there thinking say you are gonna curb them from this from like hanging out with bad company and whatever. And when you send them there, so are the worst thing you do. Because them go lick head with some other picnic where bad. And you with GX a while ago, or some youth where them are unalive people dead so. So sometimes you put them in there so and them come out worse. Cause this a situation, you know, my people. Them we in there so and go lick head with some different type of people, you know. And your good picnic change to the worst, you know. You see me I say? So where ROSEALEE for do and GX for do, put them differences aside and hurry up and get the picnic them out there so. And a good place that for them there.
Robbery. Juvenile, you know, because all we are juvenile, and when I reach 18 yet, you know. You can't 20 and then at Stone Hill Juvenile Center, it's a juvenile center. I mean I talk about juvenile where I get charged with murder and robbery and gun and beat things. You understand? I left from my house with my grandmother and my uncle them and I'm comfortable with and they lock up. No nice, brother. It's not nice, bro. You hear that? I wake up one night and I have to thump off somebody's face, you know. Yeah, brother. The man
go blog and create moments. I can't create moments. I have to chat people like Uno to stay relevant. What day they here at the first girl, I say Caribbean got party. Like you pick your 1 year baby got party. I did one spot for come sit along and chat boy yo. Nobody no look. Now come like me care. Me not care. What that have to do with me? What that have to do with me? Come off of me and people name. I not hear government business by me. Wait till CVM come on TVJ. Sorry. I would that. Bad up that my baby father. You not hear my business. Wait till TVJ come and CVM come. Come telling it. All news me see me pan over here. All news me see me pan over here like me are the worst. Like me are the worst. Wait until the news come. The news shall go no the update. You not hearing from me. I don't know myself. You don't. Me no know so you can't know. But I want you to can't stop from do a click live and talk out of my mouth. You can't stop from click live and talk out of my blood clot mouth. Because I'm not afraid of you. You know, in our people business, in our people come like a roach. In our people business, I want so like I bet me know say out of the beaten pie and the mark. Me forgot the mark, but I take the beaten pie. Cause at no circumstances when me feel no type of way, me I put on my clothes and go sit down one bar and drink and look out of my eye. Me not sit down and ball one place. I when somebody come check on me and check on my pulse, it stop. You understand? Or when me I walk down the road, me just my stroke slip me down. Cause when I under pressure and pressure rise up in the head, it give a strokes lean my mouth. So me now walk with no lean mouth. Sorry. Me rather take the beating. Me now got the mark and me now walk with no lean mouth. Talk when you want talk say. Talk when you want talk say. Me not care when you want chat say. For me know. I someone who can't know will never know. Yeah, cause my don't fall pie to chat too much. I'm gonna love chat too no. I'm gonna love confident that someone who dog shit when I never like me. When that's why you're something to run with, to bring me down. That my don't fall pie. I may accept that me accept. But chat too much. Can you say if me to come here one day, yeah? It's what day when me come here. It's what day when me come here. It's that what day when me come here. Say me to just shut my mouth. I will make her feel some type of way. Say me to shut my mouth. He said what day when me come here, me to just shut my mouth. I will make her feel some type of way. Me lock up my life. Me that still have a pity them around me now. Yeah. My mouth and my downfall, my mouth and my downfall, yeah. I'm a chat too much. I may come somewhere and someone who don't even like me. I can't take accountability for that. I chat too much. You know when I come and I put safe space by your own life. Look how I me up. Look how I me up. Look how I me up. Enough, but me I look safe space by ya. Look how I me for cloud. Cause through the story as when I say Rosalie, people can come listen to no. Me have to take accountability, Cassie. Me have to take it. Cause me too enough. But me I come on social media, come look safe space. And the majority of them are garbage, they don't like see me. They don't like see the numbers. Them say me too good. When them see the numbers, they too good for me. When them see the numbers are too good for me, when them see the gift is too good for me. And but them not understanding, I want to get this clearly. Thank you, baby. I want someone to get this clearly. I want to say this good. I make you know this good. So I want to chat. And the series build me, you know. And me build myself. I'm going to tell you how I build myself. But come here consistently every day, morning, noon, night, and hours. Sometimes I'll 12 to 12 shift me though. I'm always here. And that build me. It's that build me. I was always here. And the series build me. So every series gone, I still can hold up firm. I still can hold up firm. I don't even drop. And me build me. Hard work, dedication, consistency. Remember one time I over here ranked for number 1 at 12 to 12. ROSEALEE, I went to my bed. I look a bit after 9. And you were alive. I know I wake up, I got work. And you're still live. I know I'm at work and it's about 12 o'clock and you're still live. You don't sleep? I said no. They have to work. Because I have poor tiki shanchan and barber. And I don't put myself in my vision. I now go back at town to sell. I now go back a sidewalk. I now go back there.
As me say, my people, ROSEALEE and GX need to come together and get them youth here out of which part them there. Put them differences aside and put the youth them first and take out the youth them. Them need to get a place, rent a place and make GX control the place and take the youth them. You see what I say? That are the fastest way me see right now. I don't know if there's any faster way, but that are the fastest way for them come out and they run somebody will love them and them love and will have them best interest.
Now go back there. So who feel like say, oh, she give up? Affirm and me a compound the stinking blood clot. Me a come for the better. Yeah. Me coming here for the better. I have to work. I have to work, get my life together, get my foundation for me youth them. Come I promise them that I'm push them out of my wall. I'm push them out of my wall, I promise them a foundation. I have promises for them. But some of the woman never have fool no. Me no want when me all and I shivel up them I walk up a backside about like scandal bag. Or back strings. Me I look foundation for me youth them. Yeah. But you can't no further than that. You can't know my business. Talk when you want talk, so when you look a stinking self. Miss nice. I'm not telling them my business. Port up say I attract. Everything you know want to know about people, everything you know want to know about people, everything you know want to know about people. You know me build my fucking team. You know I'm build my blood clot team. From Tiara blood clot days, I build my blood clot team. Some good old girl and some big cocky boy. Them time the frost man over here where I check the ranking board. How much you want for goodness if I reach number 1? You know long blood clot that I know I don't know me I get fight, you know. I get fight. No, I don't know me I get fight. Yeah. All gifters inbox we're not going to. Someone are crosses. No make all fake page are going to gifters inbox. I tell gifters don't forgive me. Because I have the money I do this, I have the money I do that. To own a careless. All that to pick up another. I'll make gifters on a text. I'll make gifters on a text. I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to tell the world this. I'm going to tell you this. All the only way around on social media. Once you get the highlight on it, I done it done. Because they will rip it to threads. And they're a crab in a barrel. But now when you climb before them. And you're not too good. You could have been too good and I walk and look at you're not going to get that. Them a crab in a barrel. Nobody don't want you climb before them. Oh. So them always gonna have hand-teeth, mouth and foot in the story. Hand-teeth, mouth and foot in the blood clot story. I'm never on social media. I want me to do. I want me to do so I go and relax my brains. All jigs me or chat me. So just with jigs not safe for their own. A woman can't come by you come say jigs tell her say. Woman can't come by you come say jigs say. Jake and Jake said I wanna ever throw a lie. And she can't come, she come by you come say Jake say I can't call upon phone and say Jakes. Him say you're I say oh. Well if I throw a lie, oh the woman have a number for your woman, for the woman can't say you say. I'll run him not safe neither. I'm a back and belly rat, house enemy, poison ivy. So everything I fall apart in a one piece. Everything I fall apart in a one piece. I mean it's only human. And about no look upon that. They want to look upon for draw and cheer my name and slander my name and slaughter my name and umbu my name and all that things about my name. Because look at clout upon me, look at highlights. You understand? In a way, I'm over here give much money to single man. I never hear someone want to come out come talk about it. That's why I never give away no more. Because I always look for the negative and pick it on the care what I do. We're not going to pick out the negative. I will not negative. We're not going to still have a problem with something. Oh, she look good, but I don't like how her face did makeup. I saw her deadly, you know? Yeah. She look good, but I don't like how her face did makeup. She looked very good, but she couldn't smile. That we have a problem with. I can't escape it. But you don't run me from my workplace, you don't run me on fire. I don't know about that, but you don't run me from here. I'm sorry. And me can come here, click my life. When my gift for them come and me and them go and chat, play too much. When I don't play too much, I like my life and go lay down. You don't run me from my workplace. A long time I tire, and you don't run me. Series done, my pot still I go put on. Series finish, my pot still I go put on. Series done, my pot still I go put on. It's still I go put on. Wait for them to come in a chat and be you make a decision, my pot I go put on same way. That not stop me from cook. And that's not me if I'm cooking there. That's not me if I'm cook. If I go rice and peas, me I cook. If I go rice and peas, me I cook. Or if I that me I cook, that's not something if I'm cook. The series done up pot put on same way. Leg of the people in blood clot blouse. I'm not gonna know nothing more. I'm not gonna know nothing. Who that? My man dead. Hey my baby. Hey my baby. Chat me I look 2 live goal. Chat me I look 2 live goal. 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 Kawa. The girl them like me regardless. The girls them and the boys them like me regardless. And them care for me regardless. So I don't know what someone come to me. Them love me regardless. The people them check for me now want certain type of way regardless is what is taking place and what is going on. Yeah. So I don't want to feel like I want to think. Did that go happen? Mr. Police running for me and video. Mr. Police run. Mr. Police running for me and video the whole yard. And I know I'm going to get justice and the year are done. I know I'm going to get justice and the year are done. I know nobody not reach back out to me and the year are done. But pay much money in a lie affair and I know I can't get an answer. I know I'm not get an answer. I remember it's who call them too. Remember it's who call on a friend them, you know. You forgot to say it's who call on a friend them? Yeah, remember good say me have wanted man and me yard. Remember it's who call on a friend them, you know. So no try for mash me up in every way. It's who call on a friend them. So me have wanted man and me yard and I know but don't get nothing. If I look up on the news, me not hear no nothing. Me not hear about nothing. So not try for mash me up in that. all different type of way. I'm not doing nothing. Bad mind, I wonder what's so special about that man, yeah. I know me hear back a story. I know no liar can call me. I know me hear nothing. So if police come in my house and take my picture naked and put it all over social media.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. As I say, GX and Rosalie need to come together for the youth them sake. That's what I say, that them need to do. Them need to come together for the youth them. At the end of the day, only the two of them coming together can get the youth them out of that place as fast as possible.
And I know me not get justice. I know me not get no justice. I know up to now. I don't hear back from a liar. I don't. Anytime I call a liar, last time I speak to the liar woman, we try to get it back to the police. Them, the police commissioner, I'll know. I'll know. I'll know. I'll know. So my liar fee was in vain. I might go down there for a song and lay state, but it was in vain. All up to now. I don't hear shot fire about it at all. Eh? You come in my house and you see me naked, you take my picture and post up all over social media. And I know I'm going to get that even a pinch of justice. And government come back in power. I'm not getting no justice all now. I'm not getting no justice all now, you know. I know I'm not getting justice. I know I'm not someone not talk about it. No. You don't ever talk to my house. You don't ever tell me say, oh, my house dirty. But never say, boy, bad too bad. Them the police they out like if you're going to room and in a search. You have to rubbish sheep and look for where you find. You come in the house, you know, search where you search for. News reporter, I know I'm not going to justice. News reporter, see TV, I'm not going to justice all now. And that no want justice. So, oh, no make uno police party come in my house, video me naked and put it out there. On the subordinate. And that you have put on news. And that you have put on news. That. Oh, I know I can get a justice. I'll know. I know you're nothing. My money I pay down a liar, down at the liar firm, they hear about nothing. Yeah. So message to the Prime Minister, Mr. Honorable Andrew Holness. I need justice. I not get it all now. I not get an answer. I know I'm not going to answer for no justice system coming at my house. Where them I look for me not even know. I video me naked and put it up on social media. And for them bring me down. I know I'm not get a justice Prime Minister. And them in my back like Maclock. Them not release me, them not let me go. I know I'm not get a justice. We don't get no justice. I don't even put on the news. That's what I want to put on the news. I know I'm not going to justice. You know, over here, I chat. I want him, it's want him. It's want him. It's what happened. And piss me off. Them not leave me alone, my love. Fly or fly low, some of them have to come pitch. Them not leave me alone. Them not leave me alone. Tomorrow morning you want different set of drums. You know, one box of slaughter. Book over some England people have a class them and that's come off of me man no sleep. Eh? One I was so special about me, so one woman against the world. I was so special about me, so when you say me shape bad, when you say me this, when you say me that, on not release me. Me had germs, me shape bad, me not live now and all of the things, and me broke and hungry, and you still not really release me. I get hot, you know. Really, I get hot.
Alright, my people, so we will watch some more and then move on to the next. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Yeah. No release. Me not get no release. Me not release, me not let me go watch our Every minute, every day, every minute, every day, every minute, every blood clot. The clot is one. I look a gift them me after the look gift them me I get. Me say me one time I have gifters over here. In the people them gift. As the people them could have said me one. Me say me one night one girl over there. As a girl could have said me one lie. I tell her say as I 7 lie in a man. You got somebody in the inbox. Frostmar, you know long Frostmar over here support me. Me say Frostmar. Me say oh my can't say Frostmar. Me think him stop use TikTok. When me check a stock, when in a Frostmar inbox till him tired. ROSEALEE and she doing this and this and that and this and that and this and that. My whole life I fall apart. My whole life I fall apart. My whole life I fall apart. My whole life. For firm, when me and the man will breed me for firm for me, you them look him and chat me. Family left, my yard, me look on him, all of my car, me look on him, all know. When we still on and clear with head, yeah, chat me. My whole life I fall apart in a one go. I have to try catch back myself and say, alright then. I got this. And true me not come here, come telling you what I keep. When I go about my business toward me, you they wanna have me, I bring me, and I bash me, and I do me this, and I say this, and I say that, and poor little dime around me now, and our sister. We're around me. But alright then, ROSEALEE, I want to stay with them. You know? We not class the people them for no reason. Yeah. And I'm not done. I want this, I want that, I'm this, I'm serious done. No come from a bumbo clot name now. Yeah, come off of my name now. Release me now. Release me. Release me. I'm on a plan for release me. Release me. I don't even think I start my day. I'm going to tell myself I'm not supposed to do this. I'm not supposed to do this, but why can't I not? Why not? I'm supposed to do this, but why not? Why I can't do it? Because I'm only you. I can't do it. I can't do this alone. I can't do this alone. I tell myself I'm not even I do this. I can't do this alone. Everybody come on me in the class then. Everybody come around me in the class then. I always want I want 12 airplane. Oh. I said last night, oh, I'm lonely. I need some company. I'm munching me up on the phone with. Till I was. All that time I talk to Munch and me have to know when I drop asleep. When I jump up, I say, rascal. Then I drop asleep and Munch me just hang up. Told me want some company. Just some company. Cause I really I got to really just can't. But just really just can't bother. I mean, I'm munching up on the phone for the whole night. Must after 4. I don't even know when I fall asleep.
She not bad, man. She not bad like man. She just a bit. She not bad.
But boy, for crying.
When if you go cry?
Can I just dump on me, diamond?
Nobody cry.
You just dump on me.
Then dump on me too.
You just dump on me, diamond. I want to suck cocky flying. Ugly salamite momo. Sleazebag gonna suck cocky flying. You don't know nothing about me and wait. I don't know nothing about my blood clot business. I'm tell you my business now because there's no one here. Because someone I get really bright. I mean my picking them. Ask the father. Ask him how much time I pay a blood clot school fee. Ask him if I buy a socks or ribbon or a clip. Big pussy people, yeah. Ask him that. Ask him who make them clean. I who buy fab soap to wash them clothes. I who make them eat. Oh.
Some people had a fool in the start, yeah, so. Right, you say fool in the start. Yeah, man. So, right now, ROSEALEE, I go crash out on Jakes. Me don't feel like say Jakes I go respond still. But if him respond, I saw the alabalo start and the bring down, and it can get worse, my people, and it I go get worse if him respond. You see me I say, and that enough people want. And you see all the people them wanna like ROSEALEE, which part them I go right over Jakes. You see me I say, but I him for know how to play that game still, because he can play that game and him can win, you know. Win in a many different ways. But him have to know how, because it's a very delicate game to, you know, my people. You see me I say? And it can end bad for him too if him not play it right. You see me I say? Because a whole heap of people want to hear ROSEALEE house secret them and bring down her, you know. And him are the right person to do it. And make we see what go on.
Jaron, come click like kick like you beg where you want beg. Certain information if you talk about like but you got blah your stinking mouth cause you enough. Things what me not tell the people them when you say, oh, when you come say these things, I must say you're interested in because you can't talk when me not go talk. Cause me don't get the 411 already so I can't talk certain things. So you can come out and talk and you make me look bad and like you want twist story for me and make me look blood clot bad. You can't make me look bad. Pussy. Suck your mama. You can't make me look bad, pussy. You run up, I don't want my kids. And I love me. Everybody love them pick me. So you love your kids and I don't. I tell the media, you love you come pay bad life for me. But tell the media say you love your kids and I don't. I don't want to say you love you pick them and I blood clot don't. It's who mind them. Who show them go to school? Who show them eat? How for money spend? Eh? Remember one time when I work, I forget pay. I'm a taste of Jakes. I said to my man in school, you know, you look for me and make me, you know, say you don't have it that week, yeah. You look for me and make me know say you don't have it that week, yeah. I was stick man out at me no $1 for you. Me no send man out a black arty for my black you. Don't send me nothing, me no like you know. Don't send me nothing, me no like you know. Don't send me nothing, me no like you know. Man out have arty show the page will look like arty one to a rose black it. Move. Don't send me nothing. Me remember when you work. I look by yesterday say I said to my man in school, you know. He will look at me and say to me, say, them have to sit out September morning. I work, I mean I work. You work, I mean I work. I say, what? You work, I mean I work. You make me know, say, me have to sit out September morning until I catch young belly. Until I catch the first young belly. I say, me I breathe, you know. Me now work, struggles, other you alone I work. I say, what? I say, September morning, so I know, so I have to sit out September morning. I say, lie, tell. I sit up on my belly in the old house. I sit up on my belly. Sit up on it, on the ground. Sit up on it, up on the ground, on my belly. I beg 10, 20, 30, 40 and blood clot 50. I beg to reach $300. The first thing I take on the blood clot school fee. The first thing I take on the school fee. The second thing I take on are shoes, cheap shoes. When I want to buy, all the shoes cheap. It's all a strip. As I wear 2 times, it's strip. But I want cheap shoes. But I want 2 bags. I say, hey, pussy. And me and mama, me not wear pan. No boy. Tell the people them that. When I miss my kids and tell them that. Say me, ROSEALEE. Me tell us I not wear pan. You. No time. So you could have sit down and lay back all of these times. So the one I'm gonna run up in a box and chat and lick flip and me make him lay blood clot back. Coming I depend on him will come and to me you them. That kind of know. And then from there's a winning away, I must get them back. I must get them back for see them most of me I work towards it. But me not telling them my business. No time. Here go, I'm just want me youth them, I'm just want me youth them. I'm a youth them, because somebody truth here. Click your live. Them truth here, click your live, Jakes. I'll so catchy mini. Me have 5 blood clot just up in a car with dirty Jakes. I have to take them up and wash them. Sexy mini say me have 5 jars. Well, each up in a car of Jakes after wash them. Somebody will look at you. Come, let me go to the forefront. So cocky mini, come in and black you. So dirty woman. What do you want, Jakes? So fuck you. You don't want Jakes? So fuck you. Remember when you want Jakes a blood clot, like I want that him come in from work, you ring down in blood clot phone. As he reach to the blood clot house, Wi-Fi chipping and put you ring down him phone. You ring down him phone. So says, who that? I want woman to me panty. You don't look Jakes so fuck you. You don't want to come here him fuck you, sexy mini. Tell me that. Sexy mini. Tell me that you don't want Jakes so fuck you. You don't want Jakes so blood clot fuck you. Every morning 5 o'clock I call him out and blood clot bed. I owe this. I know your time now. Every morning 5 or 6 o'clock I call him out to your out of the blood clot bed for sit up online with that chat. You never said him a dollar. Fuck you looking at your stinking hole. You can't bring me down. Let me kick the bucket. And the dirty clothes and dirty jars me have Jakes wash them. Let me kick the bucket, bitch. You want to kick the bucket? Kick it. Let me kick it. As a walk last long on this blood clot, yeah. So good, girl. Sky Diamond, any dirty jars me have Jakes for wash it. So make me want to kick the blood clot bucket. Make me want to kick it. Panja. Sisters don't want to kick it with me. Make me want to kick it. 60 minutes jars me have jokes of wash it. 7 5 I'm sure you him wash them. I'ma have to get back them clean. Yeah, me go kick it. I don't want to know things about blood clot, girl. Yeah, come talk about. Rosalie can't close me. I shall 5 days and him have to wash them. Anything one want me and I go to it. Anything. My 5 days I have to wash the 5 of them. I make sure me get them back blood clot clean. Suck no matter. Yeah. Run up on platform me angle uno. I don't feel like I'm afraid of uno. Me not afraid of uno. Yeah. Me not afraid of uno. Guy run up on but oh yeah, Mr. Kids man. Oh, him show more interest when I pick them more than she. It's who mind them. It's who interested them eat. It's who interested them go to school. Eh? It's who mind them. Who's minding them? You know? Or more interest you can show more than me when me and mine I pick them. You can put on a picture clean. All the shoes by and the clothes by. Make a reason because I don't love chat. All the children not like me. And children not come tell them my business so they can't hear it to put the papa car. I stinking mama no one beard in a foreign blood clot. You know swallow come like water. I do know. Make a reason yes so. Just if you come by me that come look help coming out your minds, look it don't call my blood clot name. And I talk about the wait for talk about don't mention me name baby mother blood clot. Look where your blood clot look. Cause a back and be like Judas. I come talk about oh me never ungrateful. If you never ungrateful they wouldn't sit and chat no with blood clot woman. For woman can't come on social media come talk about oh me have 5 jars so you have to wash. You think me I eat that? You take my blood clot stupid. You take me not no sense. Eh? Or if you care about the putting them more than me, it's who have them. It's who gonna through them 9 months. You ever buy a blood clot receiver yet? Batty boy ever buy a receiver yet? You ever buy a receiver yet? How much money you give me for baby clothes, Shanta? Make a reason. Me some of the stinking old girl over here. When Shanta man, how much money you give me for buy baby clothes? When Shanta man, how much money you give me for buy baby clothes? When Barbara man, how much money you give me for buy baby clothes? You ever buy a tin of feed yet? You ever buy a pampers yet?
Go Rosalie, the man now wash no jars. I want to tell you. GX now wash no jars my people. Don't follow Rosalie. That me not like with the woman, you know. You see when the woman and man left and they want to bring down man, them chat the worst thing about man, you know. All when nothing no go so, you know. Just to bring down the man, you know. You see me I say, the bad man, maybe me wash for Shanta them, but him now wash for Rose. You can't convince nobody. GX a bad man. You see me I say, make me know how to think with people. So watch your style I know more. GX start clicking live, you know. Start get support. Guess who support GX? People when they like Rosalie. So right now, GX done enemy #1 for Rosalie, you know. Because at the end of the day, him have Rosalie's secret them to you know people. So you have to boy, hey, this a go end bad, you know, this nah end good, you know people. Me tell you that, you know. Make a watch some more.
If I buy a problem, I never have no problem, I have my opinion. How much money you give me for go to ultrasound? If I buy me a 98, if I buy me a pad, if I buy a soap, give me a ragged, make a reason, pussy. I run company and I chat, but I'm just want to be like a show and light, say. Me, not capable none at all. It's who mind them. It's who mind them. That more action. Oh, Jason is a nice father, and Jason is a nice father. Jason is a nice father, and Jason is a good man, and he's so humble. The stinky girl, let me know. Oh, he's so humble, and he's so this, and he's so nice. Oh, mind them. Like how you're humble and nice, you're sweet, narcissistic junker. Narcotic or narcissistic or narco whatever you want them dog shit. Who mind them? The picture them where you post up, even the party picture which is the pictures are who keep the party pussy. You don't have a bill come here pick the blood clad party. A dirty clothes away, that's why you're in a no picture. Boy can buy fuck. Who a fuck you use your money by when you work? What reason? I mom. Let me get irritable upon this, you know. I say, yes, for my work ground. And a boy now let the corner for my blood clot, you know. Come know you're done like make a reason. Who mind them? Who mind them? I will go to work in the sun and make sure them go to school. I will go the extra mile for them. We'll contribute to. Don't fucking reason why I'm gonna cut out of them life long time. It's because they never have a band come out upon to go to work. The only reason me always missing work. Me always missing a look it for them. Me always missing a look it for them. The only reason why I never cut it from the neck long time out of them life. Because what? We are parent. And the things that I can't do, you can do it. And the things that you can't do, I can do it. And I tell myself that. Pussy and I mind up picking a blood clot. Doing the blood clot, you do I cook some food and wash some clothes. I get them if I go to school at morning time. And I get the hardest part of the blood clot work. I pay lunch money, uniform, clothes to wear go out, feedings every day, tablet, everything what them want for buy, everything I'm ever find it. So you're fine. With the blood clot, you're fine. Let me kick the bucket. Look the help for you look. I know you're broke now because you can't spend no more minds. I know you're broke now. You really want to look for them, but you look your money. So people want to look for my pin them for sure. Don't mention me name. I don't know your family way. You're a sperms donor.
Rosalie, and you're going to ask Akeem to perpetuate the series. Akeem, tired of your nastiness. Akeem hates you. Akeem hates you. The thought of you want to suck him would creep him out. You see, stay in a business but you pick them. You're picking them get take away that only thing that on your head to perpetuate the series. Perpetuate the series, you know. And then people want to justify your stress. People want to justify your actions. You understand me? When all in your intention, you don't care about your kids. Not care if anybody comes about your picnic, come like you say it's true. You run down wood where you now go get for soap. Your mouth too ugly, kill cocky. You come talk about you mind jakes. Yeah, mind jakes, I'm still on captains that block up the people in Gaza. Yeah, mind jakes. What's new? What's new? What more you can't get jakes now? You can't get jakes nothing more now. What's new? Eh? If jakes no cooking on him, what's new? Yeah, come on, we better find somewhere go. Rosalie, we know you love man like that, and jakes alone one of you. You know, see my hand not so scheme. We're going to shoot one arm right now. And Jakes alone want you. You know where Yakwa shot so? Every boy will look on the actor, you know, Rosalie, you look the most man since you come on and none of them stop at you. No care how you bust up full of shelter, nobody no want it. Jakes hear the whole of we and near me mouth. Jakes hear the whole of we and near me mouth. Jakes hear we and near me mouth. Jakes come for clearing name. Because since you not give no...
Alright my people, so make we hear what she bought the officer and then we maybe end it or me share a next video with the woman where I think a GX woman Rosalie mate.
Jakes come for clearing name. But the bad brick catch one. Yeah, the man come for clearing name. You depend. No ear, no authority business. No but ear the business. Rosalie, may I tell you the truth. You see, as much as you get the people in my talk, and this is just the harsh truth. As much as you hear the people in my talk on the internet, you know, see nobody not care about you and your Nobody don't care about you and they pick them. You know, a person's concerned about the situation, not about you and your kids. They're not give one rat's ass about your kids. Let me tell you that literally. You see, the situation, it is threatening. Just in case you don't know, it is traumatizing to a lot of individuals, especially mothers. They don't give a shit about you and you're picking them. Stop acting like you're that girl, and you're not that girl. Because are you alone come out in a Cinderella in the storybook? Are you alone with your pumpkin skirt? Cinderella, they turn the pumpkin in a chariot, not a skirt. So stop acting like you're that girl, and that most of you guys missing. So when Diamond come out and say, Rosalie is our own big man, Diamond, it's the situation. It's not the individual. We're not talking about the cast. We're talking about the writing. You understand me? It's not the cast. It's the writing. That's something I need to know and learn and understand. Yeah, when I always make situations about like when I want to be trained, comes what me. No man, you know me ever kill a flyer. Me a kill a flyer. And me don't want him turn over the something and broke them, you know. And him swear say him parents them leave him with me. And that him swear now, say him parents them leave him with me. Me can't let that do it because I have to kill him today. By the hook or by the crook, sir. Come out of the camera with the battle. Well, on the people, give me a sec.
I just say a bunch of people, my parents.
But dash them where?
Where?
They will respond.
What is up? Boy.
I'm a account, you know. Take time really. Yeah, look at that flyer. Man, I'm feeling money man get me tired. Let's just come back here and over the battle again. Back to the matter at hand now. Yeah. No, back to the matter at hand now. You know where Bonham now too? Jakes get a whole heap of following. And we can look how much people are listening to Jakes. It hurt her. The people that want something refreshing. Jakes is refreshing. He might not have no looks, but he's refreshing. And that the people that want. And Jakes are get gifts. Jakes more in tune to the picnic. So I strongly believe people will encourage Jakes to just come up and live and just give him for the children. God believe me. I strongly believe if we never give them towards the people them, give it to Jakes. Yeah, but when you can't stop me, you have to give them love. Rosalie, you're afraid. You afraid. You afraid. Don't give her anything, because she'll take the money and spite the picnic them. She'll use one to bless her with a spite the kids. Come in now, oh, if I ask gunman if you want money, and your picnic them need it. I don't know how you feel do it. How you feel look on gunman and ask, boy, we plan to make money in a lady if him want money. At Jakes time now, Team Jakes. Team Jakes. What lady? No. I keep tired of you. I keep tired of you literally. The brother is tired of you. Yeah. Team Jakes. Jakes are better used to the money with the picnic them. All the time you make it look like say Jakes and you're out. All the time you make it look so. And Jakes ensures that teacher know Jakes, teacher don't know you. Yeah, literally. You like to come and play a big team. But you don't want to close upon the up. mean, know the true reason why the boy block you. And when TikTok liar really saying, who you gonna ask about the boy, make the boy block you. So familiar though, keep it right there, so yeah. Yeah man. And you come attack, and you come about Jake's house enemy. I saw the walk, I saw the stinking old girl. I saw the nasty old girl walk and give man bad name for fool and nastiness, but he did it, but he talk with my enemy. Sky Diamond wasn't your enemy. We do not bring down Jabbas, and now you go to them with Jabbas name. You, so all them become your enemy now. You're big and stink like. You're big and sour